Welcome all of you 7th standard. Today we discuss about our remaining point related to aquatic plant. This is the adaptation in aquatic plant and also adaptation in forest and grassland animal. Adaptation in aquatic animals and adaptation in forest and grassland animal. In this all week we discuss about these two plants. 2 points. Okay, we discuss about these 2 points. Okay. In this point, adaptation in aquatic plant, the first character of aquatic plant as the frog and duck have waved toys. Frog and duck. This is the two aquatic animal. This is the two aquatic animal. Okay. Why is called aquatic animal? This animal usually found in water. This animal usually found in water. And what is the terrestrial animal? This animal found on land. This animal found on land. Okay. The frog and duck have waved toys. What is meant by waved toys? What is meant by waved toys? The character by fusion of two and more digits of bits. Waved toys means what? Character by fusion of two or more digits of bits. Okay. And waved toys, these toys joined by flexible tissue and these waved toys joined by flexible tissue and also skin of this animal. Of this animal. What is meant by waved toys? Fusion of two or more digits of feet. Fusion of two or more digits of feet means त्याचे पायाचे दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त भागात विभागणी असते. That is called weaved toys. Okay, frog and duck is called weaved toys. Fusion of two or more digits of feet. त्याच्या पायाची विभागणी दोन किंवा दोन पेक्षा अधिक विभागात झालेली असते. Okay, is called weaved toys. These waved toys joined by flexible tissue and skin of their body of this animal. Okay, these flexible toys joined by flexible tissue and skin of this animal. They can use their legs like oars. Leg like oars means what? Oars means broad legs. Oars means passarat. Broad legs. Oars means passarat. Broad legs. Okay. What is the first character? Frog and duck are what? Waved toys. Waved toys means what? Character by fusion of two and more digits of feet. Character of two or more digits of feet. And also what? These waved toys joined by flexible tissue and skin of their animal, aquatic animal. Okay, like frog and duck. And also they can use their legs like oars. Oars means broad legs. Passarat पाय म्हणतात त्याला. Okay, next. You understand first? Second. Water flows of waxy feather of birds like duck and water hen. Water flows of due to waxy feather of birds. Water flows of पाणी वाहून निघून जातं शरीरावरून. Due to waxy feather means मेणाचे पर. Feather due to waxy feather of birds present on birds like duck and water hen. What is meant by water hen? पाण्यातील कोंबडी. Duck we already know badak. Okay. Two example. Water flows off due to waxy feather present on these birds. Example is duck and water hen. This is the example of what? Water flows of waxy feather on this bird. Okay. पाणी निघून जातं मेणाचं थर असल्याने त्यांच्या शरीरावर. Okay. Waved toys slippery, कसरत webbed toys, slippery, smooth skin, triangular head help frog to swim easily in water. Which character frog swim easily? Which character frog swim easily? 4 character. Webbed toys, fusion of 2 or more digits of bits. Slippery, skin are slippery. Smooth skin also. Triangular head, त्रिकोणी डोके, okay. These 4 characters frog are easily swim in water. These 4 characters, okay. Next, you understand? Second and fourth, they can live on land as well as water. As well as water. Like frog, duck, this lives land as well as water. Okay, these 2 examples. They are live on land and water. Okay, you understand? 6.6. They have ability to breathe through the skin in water. You already know. I am telling you frog is the ability to breathe through their skin in underwater. They absorb oxygen from their skin. They absorb oxygen from their skin. That's why they have ability to breathe through the skin in water, like frog. Okay, ability shamta. Okay, breath shoshan. They have ability to breathe through the skin in water. Okay, example is frog. Frog usually breathe with their skin. Breathe with help of skin. Okay, they absorb oxygen from their skin. Okay, you understand? By the using the nose and lungs on land, but these aquatic animal present on land, they using nose and lungs instead of skin. Usually this aquatic animal present on land, they use these 2 organs, nose and lungs, for the breathing. श्वसनासाठी, for the breathing. They use nose and lungs on land, but they present in water. They found in water. They use breathe through the skin. But present on land, they breathe with help of nose and lungs. Okay, you understand? Next, the typical color of frog back hair is hide among the grasses. The typical color of frog. Typical vishishta rang. Typical means what? Green color. This green color helps frog to hide. Helps it to hide among the grassland. Hide म्हणजे लपणे. Okay, the typical color of frog back help is hide among the grassland. Okay, among the grassland. Typical color, vishishta color. Okay, you understand? You already know green color of frog is help to hide among the grassland. Okay, make a list amphibians you are know and study their adaptation. Make a list amphibian you are known and study their adaptation. Amphibians means ubhayachar. What is mean by amphibians? Which animal found on both means land as well as water. The animal found usually land and water. These animals is called amphibian animal. म्हणजे जे दोन्हीवर म्हणजे जमिनीवर आणि पाण्यात पण राहतात त्याला amphibian म्हणतात. Okay, which animal found on both means what? Land as well as water. That's why it's called amphibians. Amphibians animal. Amphibians means ubhayachar. दोन्हीकडे दिसतात. Land as well as they present as well as land as well as water. Okay, you understand what is meant by amphibians? They present both land and water. Animal present both land and water. Some example related to these amphibians animals: frog, salamander, and also duck. Okay, these three examples related to amphibian animal. The most important example and most famous example is frog. Frog can live on land also and live and walk in water also. A frog live on land also and live in water also. That's why most famous example of amphibians animal is the frog, second is salamander, three are duck. This is a small list related to amphibian animal and study their adaptation. Different types of character of amphibian animal like Weber toys. This is a character of adaptation of this amphibian animal. Weber toys. Next, slippery, smooth skin, triangular head. This is some character related to amphibians animal also. Okay, this is few point related to adaptation of amphibian animal. You write this point in adaptation of amphibian animal. The character of amphibian animals means what? Toys. Weber toys, slippery, smooth skin, triangular head. Okay, this is the character of related to amphibian animal and adaptation of amphibian animal. Okay, next. Our next point is, this is our last point related to aquatic animal. This is our last point related to aquatic animal. Okay, you understand all this one? If any doubts related to meaning, related to study point, related to technical problem, you ask me. Whatever your question arises in your mind, you ask me. Okay. I am also repeat this point in live lecture. If any question, ask me. Okay. If any question arises in your mind and which point is very difficult, I explain in live lecture. In this point, I am explain in the live lecture. Okay. So you watch this video carefully. Okay. Next, adaptation in forest and grassland animal. Forest, जंगले and grassland, गवताळ प्रदेश. Okay. Adaptation present in forest and grassland animal. Okay. Carnivorous animal like the wild animal like dog, fox, tiger, lion have strong legs. Carnivorous means मांसाहारी प्राणी. Carnivorous animal is defined as this animal feed on other animal. जे अन्नासाठी हे दुसऱ्या प्राण्यावर अवलंबून असतात असा अर्थ झाला. म्हणजे अन्नासाठी दुसऱ्यावर अवलंबून असतात दुसऱ्या प्राण्यावर. These carnivorous animal defined as the animal which depends on other food. The animal which feed depends on other animals. The animal feed depends on other animals. Okay. दुसऱ्यावर खाण्यासाठी दुसऱ्यावर अवलंबून असतात. That's why carnivorous is also carnivorous. मराठी meaning मांसाहारी प्राणी. Like wild animal like dog, they are also carnivorous animal. Fox, tiger, lion have strong legs. Okay, you already know carnivorous, lion, tiger. This is what strong legs for the run fast. And capture the prey. Prey means bhaksha. Okay. These carnivorous animals also called as predators. Predators means भक्षक, दुसऱ्याला खाणारे. Predators म्हणजे भक्षक. Okay? The large quantity of tiger present in Tamil Nadu. This forest area reserved for tiger. Okay? These have strong legs, run fast to capture the prey. भक्ष्य पकडण्यासाठी. They have claws and their canine teeth. They have claws. नखे, claws, strong claws, नखे. Their canine teeth. जुळ्याचे दात म्हणजे 10 दात असतात. स्ट्रॉंग याचे काय शार्प टीथ म्हणजे जाड दात असतात. They have claws, नखे असतात, and their canine teeth, जाड दात असतात. असे sharp teeth, like this, sharp teeth. Okay? Are sharp and pointed असे धारदार असतात. Pointed आणि एक पॉइंट म्हणजे जसा बिंदू असतो तसा असा एक पॉइंट इथला असा पॉइंट जो असतो असा पॉइंट. ओके, शार्प. ओके, शार्प अँड पॉइंटेड. What is the function of teeth? Present in carnivorous animal? Function means कार्य. Okay, to capture the prey. Okay, function of these canine teeth to capture the prey fastly. Okay. Tiger have padded paws that enable them to stalk their prey and capture. Padded paws, हाताचा पंजा. Tiger have padded paws, they enable them to stalk their prey and capture. हाताचा पंजा असल्याने ते भक्ष्य इझिली पकडू शकतात, फास्टली पकडू शकतात. ओके, the tiger have padded paws, this enable them to stalk their prey, भक्ष्य लगेच पकडतात, and capture. बरोबर, त्याच्या भक्ष्यापर्यंत पोहोचू शकतात आणि त्याला कॅप्चर करू शकतात. बिकॉज हेल्प ऑफ पॅडेड पॉज, हाताचा पंजामुळे. दिस इज व्हॉट आवर टुडेज लेक्चर. I have uploaded this video in Gurukul app. If any problem regarding the study problem, question arise your mind in this video, you watch this video carefully. If any meaning not understand, you ask me. If any doubts, you ask me. Okay, if any problem, you ask me. Okay, you understand all this lecture? You understand? Okay, thank you.